Hey there, I'm going to unbox and show you this great new Shark self-emptying robot vacuum that we just got. Super excited to be able to share this with you today. So we've got two boxes in the big box. Okay, I can see right now that one of these is the base and the other will be the vacuum part. So we'll open the base first. So here we go. Here's the base part out of the box. Again, it was in some nice protective coating. There's a lot of protective plastic over this, so we'll take this off. Okay, so here we have the base, beautiful looking base. We've got the cord here on the back that is wrapped up and stored away nicely. We'll undo that when we're getting ready to hook it up. Okay, let's see what the vacuum looks like. Ooh, beautiful. There we go. There's our vacuum. Let's see. Let's take it out of the plastic, see how it looks. Very nicely packaged. We'll go ahead and remove the protective plastic pieces. Gosh, it's hard to believe it's a vacuum. It's so beautiful. Okay, let's figure out how this thing works and get it set up in its home. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm finding a spot to put the vacuum base, and I'm going to go ahead and get that plugged in. So I really like the fact that they have this place to wind the cord around, so you don't have a bunch of extra cord sticking out. You can really let out only as much cord as you need to plug the base in, and the rest of it can stay tucked away in the back of the vacuum base. Okay, so I am ready to put the vacuum on the base for the first time. It does recommend charging for 6 hours before you use it, so we're going to do that. I will show you a few features of the base while the vacuum is charging up. I'm going to line up, this is the back that actually goes into the vacuum base. Okay, so very first time I put it on the dock and it got itself there. It can sense where the dock's at. It can sense where the dock's at, and so I put it on the floor near the dock. I thought I would be attaching it somehow, but I didn't. I just set it there. I pushed the dock button. It turned itself around a few times, and it actually located the dock by itself. That's pretty cool. So we're going to let that charge for about 6 hours, and in the meantime, I'm going to show you a few features of the base that I can while it's charging. Okay, so here we have the vacuum is charging on the base. There's this nice little window right here that you can use to determine how much dust and dirt is in the compartment there, and to know exactly when you want to empty it. We're going to push this button. It pops that right out. And there's the container for collecting the dust and dirt. You can see the compartment is a nice large size compartment. To empty it, we're going to push this orange button. It will drop the bottom of the compartment and into the trash. All of the dust will go. Close it back up and you're ready to put it back into the base. Super easy to use. Over here on this side, we have a compartment that contains the filter. So the filter looks like this. It has a little bitty handle on the top, and it comes out nice and easy. Goes back in just as easy. There is a note here that says that the filter should be cleaned every month. That's it for the features of the base. As far as the vacuum goes, we have a dock button here, and we have a cleaning button here. And so I'm sure we'll be using the app most of the time, but if I wanted to, I could push the clean button and it would begin the clean cycle. Or I could push, if it's out and about, I could push the dock button and have it return back to the dock. Now we're going to wait for it to charge and then we're going to get to use it. I can't wait.